Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video on a 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. As you can see, this car is painted FC7 in violet, also known in the Mopar circles as Plum Crazy Purple. This car is a rotisserie restoration, a nut and bolt restoration done on this car with just 80 miles on it since completion. Everything on this car is new. It is absolutely stunning. 440 engine under the hood, a mild-built 440 engine, 727 torque flight automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front, vintage heat and air conditioning. This is one beautiful car, a very, very high dollar, high quality build. And this car is not cheap, folks. This car is going to be a rather expensive car. I will put it up on the hoist here in a little while and take some undercarriage shots for you so you can see it better underneath, but it's painted Plum Crazy Purple body color underneath as well. Beautiful interior. Check out the jams. Here's all kinds of receipts and invoices. All the receipts for the body work, the paint work, the mechanical work. There's receipts in there. I seen the body shop estimate or body shop receipts alone were $53,000 or $57,000. Package tray, sail panels, headliner, overhead console, sun visors. Everything on this car is absolutely beautiful. Sill plates, door jams, seats. The seats, the carpet, the whole interior has been redone in the car. The glass is all crystal clear on the car. The stainless trim and bright work, second to none. 446 pack. The chrome bumpers are all new. Check out this under the hood. There you go. Wow, what a car. Long tube headers. Low car dipstick. Aluminum radiator with an awesome fan shroud. Dual electric fans. Aftermarket hood hinges. Bottom side of the hood's painted just like the top of the car, just absolutely gorgeous. The rally wheels are they're either new or they've been blasted and painted. They look beautiful. The caps, the rings, the BF Goodrich radial TAs, the stripes. Look at the paint on this car. Man, I tell you what, you want to talk about being able to smile. You're doing a video on this car, I got them smiling ear to ear. Get the keys out here, we'll check out the trunk. Look at the jams. I say it's not going to be a cheap car. This car is probably going to be priced at $109,900. But you know what they say, good things aren't cheap and cheap things aren't good. Check out this. There is no spare tire, there is no jack. If you want one of them, I can probably round up a spare tire to put in the trunk. I just hated to put anything in that trunk, as nice as it is, beautiful inside. There's no bubbles, there's no blisters, there's no dings, there's no dents, there's no scratches, there's no scrapes. Just one beautiful 70 Barracuda. don't think they get any nicer than this. She a little cold-blooded. Been sitting in here all weekend. Left turn, right turn. Bright headlight indicator. 83 miles on the odometer. Wipers. Once I get her out on the, once I get it out on the test drive, I'll pull over and let her run a little bit longer. Besides, I don't want to gas myself out in here. What a gorgeous car. Wowza. If you're looking for a Cuda, 1970 Cuda, don't look any further. Give us a call, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Shut this. The hood pins are inside the car. I'll put them on once it gets back in the showroom. Still gotta pop a few more pictures of underneath the hood when I'm done driving it, so. I don't know what the deal is. There they go. There it goes. There, it's working now. Thought I had them, I turned them signals out a second ago and they weren't working. Now they're working just fine now. Got one of them newer retro radios in it. We got quite the selection of Mopars right now, so I got 3 Plum Crazy Purple cars in stock. Got a GTX, the Cuda, and a Challenger, so. And they're all 1970s. All the gauges work. The clock is not working. They probably had that clock rebuilt when they put the car together. I'm not sure why it's not working this second, but what a gorgeous car. Gorgeous car on a gorgeous day here in Iowa. A little bit windy, but all in all, not a bad day. Probably in the high 50s, low 60s today. But a great day to take a beautiful Cuda for a spin. mileage coming up, about 175, 180. Change on this car if I was keeping it, I'd probably put Magnum 500s on it, but that's just me, each their own. If the car didn't sell right away, which I'm sure it will, I might actually do that, but I don't think this car will be a problem. Good luck. You can't go find a car like this. Like I say, 1099, but you can't find a car like this for any less money. And you know, $53,000, $57,000 in paint and body work alone. That's not even including the price of the car. Go buy a car and then try to restore it. You're gonna have well over that much money in it. Probably won't be that nice when it's done, and you're gonna have to wait 3 to 5 years to get it probably. So you might as well buy it and enjoy it now. There's no excuses on this car. You can fly in, you can drive in, anything you want. Power too, folks. 70 mile an hour right down the highway, got her up to about, what, 85, 90. I wasn't even looking that close, but what a gorgeous ride. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So give us a call on this 1970 Plum Crazy Purple Barracuda, 446 pack, steering, brakes, air. She's got it all, y'all. Thanks for watching our videos. I hope you have a great afternoon, and I'm going to be right back with you with another Mopar here in a second, a 1970 GTX V-Code 446 pack. So hang tight, everyone. Talk to you soon.